Hey, this is Jahbari. So I am here in Wolf Den subdivision here in South College Station. So this is a neighborhood that just have 19 homes. So this builder is Murphy Signature Home, and so they have three different plans. And so behind me is the Ghost Plan A that I'm going to get ready to walk. But this is on South College Station. You have access to William J, which gives you quick access to Houston. So you get on Texas 6 and you're someone who need to be able to get out of town and get into town very easily. But this is something right before you kind of get into the depth of College Station. And also, you have College Station High School out here. You have great elementaries, but you have good shopping centers right around the corner. So this here is a little smaller subdivision. And so I'm going to view some of these plans and we're going to check them out. And so kind of get a view. So these homes are all very modern, contemporary. So this builder started off as a investor builder and has slowly made his way into some luxury residential. So we'll see a couple of those before, but so cul-de-sac, so it's pretty safe for kids. If you have a family that wants to stay here, most of all these are 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. So we can take a look at this. So this is one of the two, have the slanted roof elevation. This is going to be all black. So come in on the front door. This one isn't staged because they offer to sell or rent. So upstairs, we'll take a look at it in a second. But when you walk in, we love the high ceilings. And going into the hallway, this here is a half bath. So you have your sink, and then you also have shelves behind the toilet. But then one of the things I love about this one, that is very open. So they have the very modern look from everything from this island here in the center. It comes with the appliances, and then also you come in the pantry. Has good space, and each one has a different layout. So definitely let me know if you guys want to see a different one if you're considering to be in this area. Dining room area and living room areas combined, and you always have one bedroom that's going to be downstairs. So generally you can consider to be the master bedroom, but the cool thing about these plans is every single one of them has a bathroom connected to each bedroom. So once again, as the builder has been an investor closer to Texas A&M, oh, sorry, let's go out here. And you have students who always had a desire to have their bathroom and room in one. So that's kind of what they have. So this is the backyard of this unit. So right behind there is a business center. So Urban Table is a restaurant over there you can kind of walk over to, have some workout facilities over there and some other businesses. And then this is just next door. So have a nice outside patio, nothing too massive, but also something to unplug after a work day or whatever suits you. So yes, so each bedroom has its own bathroom, which I think is pretty cool. So you come in here, this is your laundry room, equipped with, then you go in here, you have water heater, and then you have a 2-car garage. So then once you come inside, you have your mud room, put your coats and your shoes. Then we're gonna walk upstairs. Just love the high ceilings. Windows, go upstairs. And this is the first of 2 other bedrooms. So you can see here to the right, you're gonna have your bathroom, full bathroom in here. And then also You're gonna have your closet space, shelves in here as well. And then go into the hallway. This is just a hallway closet. Common area is a little smaller. Some other plants have a very big one. We lived in one for a temporary time frame, and kids could play in that middle section. So you'll see the same layout for this. You have your closet space, and then also have your third bathroom here. And then as we walk out and go into the last room, this one is facing the street, you have your bathroom, tub insert, and here is your closet. So one of the things I like about this, if you have a bigger family and you have teenager kids or that like to have their own space, they have their own bathroom, they can be able to do just that. And if you wanted like a common area in here that is a little bit more suitable for family and friends to hang out, we should take a look at some of our other plans. But make sure you call me, text me, and we can always be able to take a look. But for the most part, that is our Ghost Wolf A. So if you want to maybe take a look at some of the other ones, definitely let me know. Every single plan is almost different in the layout because they have some different elevations. So definitely let me know if you have any questions related to this one. Make sure you can text, email, or we can schedule a call and let me know what you're looking for. And I look forward to helping you. Thank you guys for watching.